how to schedule Instagram posts and reels. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about a software through which you guys can schedule your Instagram posts and reels, and you will be able to of course have them be published all completely on autopilot, and you won't have to do anything by yourself manually. So simply come on to greatlysocial.com, and this is the software that you guys can use for any of your social media, not just Instagram. So once you guys are over here, simply click on the top right or on sign up, and then that's gonna take you guys over here. Simply sign up by putting in your first name, email, password, and then your time zone, and then after that it's gonna take you guys over to their dashboard. Now once you guys are on their dashboard, I'll get you guys in 1 second. Now once you have signed up successfully, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, you guys can see on the left side that you have options to publish your website, Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and so much more. So from over here, choose Instagram. And then after that, it's going to take you over to the Instagram page. And then you'll have to log in. And once you guys give access to Greatly Social to basically publish your Instagram post, well then after that, it is going to do all of that on autopilot. And you will be able to, of course, just simply automate the whole procedure. And you guys can basically see a dashboard over here as to how your final web page is going to look like. They basically offer 3 basic plans. And over here, you guys can see that their free plan is going to be, of course, free. And you can add up to 8 accounts over here. Then you have their personal plan, which is going to give you 1.5 gigabytes of storage and a 500 MB file upload size. And then of course you have their agency plan, which is going to give you 3 gigabytes of storage and a 1 gigabyte file upload size. So all in all, it's not that expensive and it is not going to cost you a lot of money, but you guys can definitely get started with it if you guys want to automate your Instagram posting and your reel posting. So guys, this was the video. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.